All right, guys, we had an amazing day trading today, and I want to talk about the two trades that we did on AMD and Tesla, and how these trades were actually identified and how they were executed, and what were the tools that we really looked into. This is scalping and for making such a beautiful profit on AMD and Tesla. So the most important tool for day trading and scalping the financial market for US stocks, I think, is Market Atlas. And Market Atlas is essentially the depth of market, the liquidity of the market makers for different levels when you see it over time. So the level 2 doesn't have the time access. But when you put this level 2 into the time access, which is in this case is my local time, 8 a.m. Pacific time, which would be 11 Eastern time, you can see the liquidity and how the market is moving. And if you see very significant liquidity to the upside or to the downside that is significantly bigger bigger than the other part, you can expect that the price can go toward that liquidity. Let me give you an example for today. So AMD today, we did a really nice trade on AMD for a 1 minute open range breakout. Even though it was gapping down around 7%, but we did a really nice 1 minute open range breakout, it adding more from 316 all the way up to 328. And I can zoom out a little bit to show you all the way up to 327, almost to 328. But how did we catch such a beautiful 5 minute open range breakout all the way up to this level? And then we got stopped out. So how did we get such a huge move without really, for a stock that is gapping down 7%? In that time, AMD was 7% down. Or another trade that we want to talk about is Tesla, is that how did we catch such a beautiful red to green move from 378 all the way up to 382 and then come out at the break even? So how did we catch this move that is called scalping in day trading? So the reason that we can trade like that is a tool that we call Market Atlas. And Market Atlas, as I mentioned, is the depth of market and liquidity compare to the current bid and ask price. So right now AMD is trading, this is AMD trading at 319.50, this is at 319.50, and anything above is the ask, anything below is the bid. And what you're seeing here is that there's significant amount of orders to the downside at 315, and there's some orders to the upside. But at the open, when you see this huge significant imbalance with the liquidity, you can actually make a trade based on that. And I'm going to show you a couple of screenshots that I had today and the trades that we did. So this is the first trade that we did. So as you see here, so this is the first trade that we did. As you see here, market, in that time AMD was down 5%. So it opened very strong above the VWAP, and we saw a big order at 318. You see there's, how many shares is that? This one is 22,000 shares up here. So that could be a good place to go long, and again, time 9:31:58. And you take the screenshot later and you see that the liquidity of this 320 was there, and now the orders are going up through 323 and 322.90. So the orders are going to go up, and there is not much lower here. So there's nothing here, but there's significant of the levels up here. So that's a very bullish sign that the price goes toward this liquidity. And again, now the orders after, got filled at 323, now the orders at 325. And again, it's a very important thing that you have to look at is the time frame. Stock is down 3%, but you still have, the liquidity going up through 325. And now going up, again, we did consolidation, we added a little more, the big order is at 325, and our order is also sitting at 325 here. So we're hoping to get that to 325. Very big significant. There's some order here, but still the price action is very bullish. This is a very nice ABCD pattern, bull flag that is going up. Again, almost at 325, a screenshot 9:43:22, and then another one, boom, 325 got filled, and now their orders are going up 327, 328, and 330. Doesn't necessarily mean that 100% is going to go up, but that is a sign that the price action is bullish and potentially going to go to 328, 329. In that case, really AMD never reached to 328 to 329 and pulled back, and we got stopped out on it. But it was a really nice looking at Market Atlas to see how these liquidity pools get the price to the upside, and that's the most important day trading tool that you need. Same as Tesla. Go back to the Tesla again, same day, 9:59.08. So we did a couple of times try to go green, and now we came back up, and I saw a huge order at 380. We're trading at 379, 380 here. So this huge liquidity was the sign for me to go long. And a couple of more screenshots. Again, look at the time frame. So boom, 379, and now the orders are going up to 381, and then boom, going to 382. So we put the orders up there, and then 382. As you see, they're big orders. You get the time frame here. So this is my entry. So the original stop loss was here. Now they're 1, 2. We're hoping to catch into that toward the 382, and that's the most important tool that you really need for day trading. And 381 is still order here. It's consolidation, and boom, 382. So that's, you see, it goes to 382 that we have. So this is the 382 order that got filled, and now the orders are going to go up to 383, and we put our order also at 383. But that doesn't necessarily mean 100% go. You have to have the risk management in place. Now that I'm already partial, my stop loss is at the break even. So this is also very important to know that as you partial, your stop loss is coming back at the break even. So really easy to trade. These trades that we do every single day, and it's really easy. And you see what happened to the Tesla here at 382, never got to 383, and then pulled back, and then I got stopped out at the break even. So Market Atlas is available through Trading Terminal. This is a tool that we built it with partnership with Nasdaq, and I think it's very important to everybody has it. And how you can have that one is through Trading Terminal. Just go to tradingterminal.com, and you can get access to that. If you have any question, guys, and just let me know in the comments. And do I look at the level 2 anymore? Not really. So I'm not really looking at the level 2. I'm looking mostly at the Market Atlas, which is the same thing, but with the time axis in there, which is very important, so you can see what happens. Really simple concept. It's not easy, but it's really simple, especially that understanding when to get out and when to take that trade based on that is the most important part. And again, it's not really that difficult. It's just very important for you guys to practice over time and master of executing this simple strategy. Again, it's simple but not easy. God bless you guys. If you have any questions, let me know.
If you want to practice trading, make sure to check Trading Terminal Simulator, and we have a $50,000 funded training account that based on that practice, if you make money after 3 months, you can actually take profit. Let me know how you did, and if you have any question, let me know in the comments.